Google, Apple, and Microsoft. The tech giants' legal battle royale. It's no secret that Google, Apple, and Microsoft are rivals. But their battle hasn't just been in the marketplace, it's been in the courtroom too. In the early 2000s, Microsoft was the big bully on the block, facing antitrust lawsuits from the US government for monopolistic practices. Bill Gates' Microsoft was accused of crushing competitors, including Apple, which was on the brink of collapse at the time. But things heated up in 2007 when Apple launched the iPhone and Google soon followed with Android. Steve Jobs famously declared thermonuclear war on Android, calling it a stolen product. In 2010, Apple sued HTC, an early Android manufacturer, marking the start of years of patent battles aimed squarely at Google's mobile OS. Apple wanted Android crushed and lawsuits piled up. Microsoft wasn't sitting quietly either. As Google search dominated, Microsoft's Bing was playing catch-up. In 2011, Microsoft sued Google over patent infringement, accusing them of stealing ideas for services like YouTube. The tension grew so intense that Microsoft backed lawsuits by other companies against Google, saying Google was unfairly monopolizing the search and ad markets. While Apple was busy suing Android manufacturers, Microsoft and Apple were quietly fighting their own battles. Microsoft accused Apple of trying to trademark the term App Store, claiming it was too generic. Meanwhile, Apple was skeptical of Microsoft's Surface, viewing it as a threat to their iPad dominance. Both companies kept a watchful eye on each other's patents, occasionally sparring in court over tech innovations. Google eventually became the new Microsoft, targeted for its growing dominance. In the 2010s, Google faced antitrust investigations from the US and EU, accused of unfairly prioritizing its services in search results. Microsoft and Apple, once bitter enemies, found common ground in their opposition to Google, criticizing its practices and even lobbying against it. Talk about enemies joining forces. Today, these giants are still locked in legal skirmishes. Whether it's patent disputes, antitrust battles, or accusations of unfair business practices, the courtroom drama never stops. Each lawsuit isn't just a legal battle, it's a strategic move in their ongoing war for tech supremacy. Tech isn't just about innovation, it's also about who can survive the legal battlefield. Subscribe our channel Brand Chronicles for more behind-the-scenes battles of the tech world.